I'm gonna do, dye my hair. Well, actually not gonna bleach it today, so hold on for the ride. So I got my, so it's pretty basic. You grab your number one, number one. You grab your number one, you grab your number two, you spit in together, you shake it all about, and then you just put it in. What I normally do is put it into a bowl, and I use a little brush to actually brush it onto the hair. So we've put 1 and 2 together in there, and then once I put it onto my hair, we then take it off with a number 3 conditioner. So what I do is I pour it into a little bowl and I put it on with a brush. You can just use the applicator bottle and go down the centre, but I just find I can't control it as much. Okay, so I do have clips ready to go. Don't forget your gloves. Let's do that. Alrighty. Nat, my hairdresser, if you're watching this, sorry. Alrighty, that is it. All done. Wait about 20 to 30 minutes and in the shower and yeah, just a quick check-in. I'll blow dried out now and get ready for a makeup tutorial anyway, so I will see you again. So bye bye. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so I have got to straighten my hair. I'm gonna go and cook zucchini muffins. I've got a makeup tutorial to do. I've got an Arbonne review to do. I got stuff going on everywhere. Not enough time to do it, but coming along for the ride. So, howdy, howdy. Done my hair, bleached it, still in, so it's still alive.